What makes a good vlogging lens? Today we're exploring how wide can you go with the Sony 16-25mm F2.8 G lens and why it might be your next vlogging lens. Actually, side trip tayo. I'm currently in fully booked. I'm looking for a book. That's why we are in fully booked. So, I'll be looking for a book na magagamit for content creation. So, hope that will help me. So, for vlogging, the 16mm focal range has been the game changer for the past couple of years already. There's a reason why the 16 to 35mm lens have been used by many YouTubers and content creators throughout the years. So Sony has Sony 16 to 35 and they just released 16 to 35 GM2 last 2023, and that has been the go-to lens for vloggers in the YouTube space. Good thing Sony released another lens, which is the 60 to 25mm F2.8 G lens, and it is much cheaper, much lighter, and much more compact compared to the GM2, which is perfect for a lot of content creators. First, it's ultra-wide, meaning you can immerse your audience through your framing. As you can see right now, I have a lot of space in my background. So actually, this is the look that I've been wanting to have. So I have more space here and not too tight, which is, I think, very perfect for vlogging kasi nagiging immersive siya from the audience point of view. Second, it's lightweight and portable. Very ideal for traveling. For me, which I travel with my family, I need to make my gear efficient and travel friendly. So this is perfect in my case. And still, even if it's not the G Master, it's still a G lens, which has a constant f2.8 aperture, which is perfect for low light and also for some blurry background. But it's not all perfect. As we know, ultra wide lenses, for this specific example, the 16mm, can have some weird distortion on this side. But I don't know if there's distortion for this specific lens. Comment down below if you can see. Throughout this video, I'll be using the 16mm. So comment down below if you noticed any distortion on my shots. Also, the 16 to 25 is not for everyone. I think it's not that versatile enough for some. They feel that medyo limited sila on the 16 to 25 and they want to have a farther range. But yeah, as I've said earlier, this is a good vlogging lens and not a perfect vlogging lens. I don't think there's a perfect lens for everyone. So let's see what this lens can do. I'll be using this for vlogging. Okay, so future me editing the video. So I wasn't able to mention that the vlog part was shot on a different day. So it was earlier and lumipas na yung ibang araw bago ko na-shoot naman yung pinaka A-roll natin. So, if you noticed some of the differences, then good for you. So, comment down below if napansin niyo yung difference. Okay, so for this vlog pala, kasama ko yung some of the well-known content creators in YouTube and Instagram. So, very much privileged to try and test the lens with them. And yeah, so sama kayo and watch this video. What's up, guys?
Hello, what's up, guys?
Content creator.
Welcome to our vlog.
So, sakto, 16 to 25, trying out with other content creators.
Gano'n ba kaway dyan? Kasya ba tayong lahat in a vertical frame?
Hindi. Okay pala to, vlog walk, hindi photo walk.
Ganun yung ganun kabilis mag-place.
So, yeah, vlog walk to. From Burgos Circle to mini Burgos Circle.
28 to 70 F2. Sabi ko, pasok mo na.
Laki.
Shoot ako ng BTS, nakaupo ako sa isang sulok.
So yung mga vector scope mo dyan.
So for today's video, we're going to talk about the Sony 16 to 25. How wide can you go? So how wide can you go? For vloggers, the 16 to 25mm focal range is a perfect contender for your go-to vlogging lens. Kasi for me, it's pretty much covers everything that I do. Vlogging, content creation, you can use it for wide-angle shots. You can use it also for photography as well, specifically if you want to capture landscape, astrophotography and all. And lastly, kahit the G lens lang siya, it still has a constant f2.8 aperture, which is perfect to get those blurry background and still usable in low light. That's it for today's video. If you like my thoughts about this lens, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comments down below, how wide can you go? Talk to you soon. How wide can you go? Para pala akong ewan doon. How wide can you go?